What's going on, gang? Brett Patrick here. Good boy gutter protection. Gutter cleaner you, as always. Coming to you with another fire hot video. I got some insight I want to give you guys, some real mathematics behind a particular project that's kind of in junction with a video that we just talked about a couple days ago. So my last video, I talked about getting a subcontractor for gutter replacements or gutter installs and how they can benefit your business and offering other services. And I wanted to run through a real world example in which I'm having done currently as we speak. So I'm sitting at a gas station waiting for the crew to get enough of the replacement done so then I can go out and begin installing the guards. If you need more context on that, watch my last video. So I want to do some math on this. So the project is 188 linear feet. So this is a home that already had gutters on it. I'd actually cleaned the gutters one time before, and then the home was sold, and then the new homeowners got my information from the previous customers, and they wanted to go ahead and get them replaced. So 188 linear feet of gutters. There's 12 total downspout sticks, so the 10-foot prefab sticks that come. There's 9 total downspouts, but it would require 12 total sticks, so you make sure you price it accordingly. 13 total inside and outside box miters. There are 9 outside, 3 inside, or 4 inside, and then 188 linear feet of premium micro mesh gutter guard install. That's the service that I do. I personally, with my own bare hands, install those myself. I do not remove gutter systems or install new gutter systems, but by utilizing a subcontractor who's working as we speak allowed me to capture this overall sale. So this overall sale was for $5,252. It's the overall sale price, which of the gutter guard side of it was $2,256. So the remaining amount I was able to sell, sub out, and make a percentage profit off of that, right? So we're gonna run through the numbers here. I have them all written down for you, and I'm gonna actually show some video after this of like out at the project site. So 188 linear feet, my crew charges me $1.50 to remove and haul off an old gutter system. I charge $2 a foot, so I make 50-cent profit per foot on that. And then as far as selling the actual gutter itself, my crew charges me $5.50 to install a 5-inch K-style gutter system. I charge the customer $8 a foot, okay? So you can already see where I have some margin built in. So if you do the math on all that, that essentially means it's $7 a foot, $1.50 a foot, plus $5.50 a foot will give you $7 cost to me to remove and install a new gutter system. So on the 188 linear feet, that's $1,316. I sold it for $8 a foot plus a $2 per foot removal, so all in $10 a foot. That's $3 a foot in profit. So you're looking at $1,880 for the sale price on that section of it, minus the cost of $1,316, gives you a total profit of $564 on just removing and installing the gutter system itself. Okay. Now, the next line item will be your downspouts. So obviously, every crew's going to charge for downspouts as well. So my crew charges me $84.15 per 10-foot stick, or it's per downspout essentially. For a 3x4 downspout, I only install 3x4s, not 2x3s. I just think there's better water flow. And I charge $100 per downspout. So at $84.15 times 12 total downspout sticks, that's $1,014. I sold the same 12 at $100 to the customer at $1,200. That's a profit of $186 for the downspouts. So as you can see, we're already stepping into over $700 in profit, and I have not even done a single thing yet. Next, we're looking at the miters. So the inside and box miters are 13 total. My crew charges me $16.50 per 5-inch inside box miter for a total of $214. I charge $25 per inside or outside box miter for a total of $325. So the profit on that, $110.50. So just on the gutter system alone, because that would complete the overall gutter system, you're looking at, so that's $860.50 in profit on just subbing out the gutter system itself. I could leave right now, never install the guards, and make $860, and I have not done any physical labor. But it's not the way I operate. I want to get the gutter guards as well. So for the gutter guards, 188 linear feet. For 5-inch, I use the Leaf Blaster Pro Micro Mesh Gutter Guard. I highly recommend it. It comes with a 40-year product warranty. It is a good product. They cost me $2.70 per foot per my distributor here in town. Again, I use SRS distribution. You can use an ABC supply, Beacon. Prices all vary a little bit, but you can figure that out. $2.70 a foot. I sell it for $12 a foot installed. Now, the labor rate's going to be a little murky here because it's just me doing that. If I was to sub somebody out, I would probably charge $3 per foot in labor. So you can do the reverse math if you want to, but for the sake of this scenario, because it's just me as a single operator, I'm not going to charge a labor rate. $2.70 a foot times 188 feet is $507.06. That is the cost to me. The sale to the customer at $12 a foot is $2,256, leaving a total profit on that of $1,748.40. You add that in with the profit margin already associated with the gutter system, you're looking at $2,608.09 for this overall project. That's 1 day of work on a Friday. Okay. You tell me if you think having a gutter installer, a subcontractor, is going to be a beneficial service or not. Without me having that in my back pocket, a crew I can rely on and go out and do work, I would not have been able to capture that gutter guard sale more than likely. That customer probably just would have went with somebody else that could offer an all-in-one service. So by being able to offer that, being able to tack on a little bit of margin, I'm not doing a ton of margin on top of that. I was able to have over a $2,600 profit day inside of my business. Jobs like these are what really propel your business to be extremely profitable, because math is math, right? So if I'm doing a bunch of $150 to $200 jobs, I'm only going to be making $150 to $200 per job. So I got to stack multiple of those up over the course of a day and a week to really get to a point where you're making some good money. If you can throw in a couple of these jobs a week, even if you're brand new, you can do like 1 or 2 of these a month. It's really what's going to push your business forward, create some breathing room inside of your checking account, and allow you to start growing your business effectively, or just cashing out and making as much money as you want to in the short term, right? So I hope this video is beneficial, and again, I'll post some videos of some of the content afterwards. But if you do not have a subcontractor for gutter installs, I'm going to highly recommend that you do so, because I promise you it is advantageous for your business, it's advantageous for your customer, your contractor will be appreciative of you, and it just allows you to offer a better quality service to your community.